In this video, I'm going to show you how to do yoga for hot tubs for beginners. Hey hot tubbers, my name is Jackie and I'm the hot tub lady. And in this video, my niece Sara Johnson, owner of the yoga studio BU Yoga, will show you how to do yoga in the hot tub for beginners. Yoga is a great way to relax, de-stress, and what could be better than doing it in your own backyard in a nice warm hot tub. So grab a towel and let's get started.
Hi, I'm Sara with BU Yoga. And I'm here to show you a couple of things. And so whether you're looking at finding new and interesting ways to enjoy your hot tub in different ways, or whether you're looking at incorporating your yoga practice in completely new and exciting ways, I'm going to show you a few little yoga tricks for the hot tub. So first we're going to do just a few standing poses. And so we're going to start with a pose called chair. So you sink down and just bend the knees and you can lift the arms up. And almost as if you're sitting on one of these wonderful benches, but you're hovering over. So just kind of holding yourself up a little bit and then begin to breathe. So just breathe in and breathe out. And so I'm going to add a little bit of movement. So breathing in and breathe out. We're going to rise and draw hands to heart center. Inhaling, coming back down. So sinking back down as you lift the arms. And as you exhale, rise up and draw your hands to heart center. Inhale. And exhale. So that is flowing chair, which is perfect for a hot tub. We're going to do just a little tree pose as well. So finding your stability and beginning to open up one leg, tenting the toes on the ground, the surface of the hot tub, and then you just can begin to move the sole of the foot up the leg, making sure not to touch the knee. So you want to have the foot either above or below the knee. So maybe just right below the knee. And then let's just take the hands down and let the fingers float in the water. So the interesting thing about a balance pose in a hot tub too is that the water can add just a little bit of a different challenge, right? As you can feel the gentle flowing helps you to stabilize different muscles. So in order to be balanced, we have to do both sides. So just kind of coming into the other side, coming into your tree pose. And again, just letting your fingers hover in the water. Enjoying the flow and the little balance challenge. And you can relax the foot down. We're going to come into another balance pose called eagle. So you're going to come into just a little bit of a squat and taking the left leg over top of the right. And we're going to take the left elbow underneath and wrap the arms. Now if that double wrap is challenging, you can always just either no wrap or single wrap. So you have lots of options. And this is one that's really interesting for stabilizing with that gentle water flow. So just find your balance and sometimes letting go of the effort to find more ease. And then release. We're just going to sweep the arms all the way up and then relax the arms down. And again, the other side just to stay balanced. So right leg comes up and over, right elbow comes under left, and you can double wrap, single wrap, or zero wrap. And then let's breathe in and breathe out. You can hold this pose for as many breaths as you'd like, and we're just going to unwrap and reach for the sky. And relax the arms down, splash a little with the fingers on the top. Now we'll do the seated, so find your way into one of the comfortable seats. And we're going to do a pose called boat pose, which on land is my nemesis pose. It's a little bit challenging. So what you're going to do is first take your hands beside your body to support yourself, and then you can just lift your legs up. Maybe your feet come right above the water, and then you can reach your arms forward. You want to think about lifting through the heart and keeping the spine nice and long and straight. So this is a really good core workout. Now the hot tub actually helps. With this one, I get a little bit more support than I do on the ground. So hold it again as long as you wish, and then release down. And we're going to do just a couple of leg stretches. So you can take and maybe grab onto the big toe with your two peace fingers, and you can extend the leg out. The leg does not have to be straight, but it can work towards straight. And again, you're getting a little bit more support in the hot tub. So just taking some deep breaths while you find length in that leg. And you can take that out to the side as well for a little inner thigh stretch, and just pause there. Your opposite hand can maybe be down for support. Let's bring it back to center. And then down. And then again, we're going to do the other side just to be balanced, grabbing with the peace fingers, the big toe, extending that leg long, as straight as is comfortable, never forcing. And always turning to the breath. Really the most important part of your yoga practice, whether you're in a hot tub or on the land, is your breath. Out to the side. And release down. So we're going to come into one more balance pose. And this pose is figure 4. So I'm coming into a little bit of a squat. So my knees are soft and bent. And now I'm just going to take my left ankle over my right thigh. So you want your left foot to be flexed just to protect your joints. And you can take your hands to heart, or you can again just kind of let your hands float in the water. And that may even offer a little bit more stability. So maybe almost like the surface of the water is a little bit of some stability for you. And breathe into the balance. Maybe close your eyes or keep them open, whatever's comfortable for you. And then again, let the breath flow in and out. Let's bring hands to heart while we rise and stand, and then we're going to change sides. So sometimes you might want to pedal that out a little just to relax the muscles, and then coming back down into that squat. Now the right ankle goes over the left knee. It's going to challenge your balance just a little bit, but you're up for the challenge. Hands can stay at heart, or you can again have the fingertips floating on the water. So use the beautiful hot tub that you have. Just be with the moment and let the water calm and relax your mind and your body. Deep breath in. Exhale. And bring hands back to heart and rise and close. And there's your hot tub yoga practice. Thank you for joining. Namaste.